Google has finally kick-started its Agentic AI journey to the next level. As Google's Logan Kilpatrick said, this was their first hosted agent in the API and has gained a ton of traction over the last 3 months. This is just the start of their agent's journey. For the longest time, Google had the models, Gemini was competitive, the infrastructure was unmatched. But something was missing, which was execution. Now, that changes. Google has split its system into 2 modes: deep research, fast, efficient, built for real-time use. And then we have Deep Research Max, which is slower but far more powerful. This version doesn't stop early. It keeps searching, keeps reasoning, refining, until it produces something very different. A fully cited, structured report, not just an answer, a deliverable. Google introduced Model Context Protocol, MCP. This, I believe, is the unlock. The agent can now connect to internal company data, financial data sets, private repositories, and not just the internet, which means the AI is no longer limited to public knowledge. It now works on the same data that drives real decisions. This changes the role completely. As of course, you can see, this is no longer a search tool. It has now become an analyst, which builds charts, creates infographics, structures, insights. And before it even starts, you can actually define the research plan, edit the scope, guide the outcome, which means you're not prompting anymore. You're actually assigning work. And here, of course, if you're ready for it, is the front page take. Let's just step back. Anthropic is pushing intelligence. OpenAI is pushing workflows. Google is pushing access to data, to systems, to enterprise pipelines. And in the enterprise AI, that is the real moat. Please do let us know, what are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Yes, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and please keep those wonderful comments pouring in. Till then, think AI, think IIM.